Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about the conjugation of the verb eo ire, which means to go, and you can find this in your book on page 178. Okay, so eo, the principal parts of this verb are eo, ire, iwi, or it also has the third principal part ii, two eyes, and the fourth principal part itum, and eo means to go. Eo is an irregular verb, but I think once we conjugate it all the way through, you'll see that it's not really that irregular. Okay, it is irregular in the present. And so let's go through the present. Okay, present tense. Also, eo only has active forms, cannot be made passive. Okay, so we have first, second, and third person, and up top here singular and plural. Okay, so when we conjugate eo, first singular is eo, and then, think of it as you would conjugating any other verb essentially. Took off the re, and then we add endings. So it's eo, is, it, imus, itis, and in the third plural it's eunt. So third plural looks different, right? But the second singular, third singular, first plural, and second plural are pretty regular. Okay, so eo, is, it, imus, itis, eunt. Okay, the imperfect makes a lot of sense, actually. You just take off the re from the infinitive. So remember, the infinitive is ire. Take off the re, and that's your base. And then you treat it like a first conjugation verb. So it's ebom, ebos, ebot, ebamos, ebotis, and ebont. Okay, pretty simple. So ebom would be I was going, or simple past, I went. Okay, so again, pretty simple. Take off re, add bom, bos, bot, bamos, bot is bot. Okay, future is just as simple. It's ebo, ebis. So we take off the re and add future tense endings for first conjugation. Ebit, ebimus, ebitis, and ebunt. Okay, and if you're translating ebo, I will go. Okay, and the perfect system, perfect, pluperfect, and future perfect, all pretty regular. So perfect. Okay, so eo, principal parts eo, ire, iwi. Right, take off the I to get the perfect stem. So it's iwi. Oops, can erase that, so I'll start over. Iwi, iwisti, iwit, iwimus, iwistis, and iwerunt. Okay. Eo does have an alternate third principal part, ee, so two eyes. So if you were to conjugate it using that those principal parts, then you would just take off the I, and then your stem would be an I. So it could be e, isti, it, imus, istis, and itis. erunt. Okay, so just know that there is an alternate conjugation for the alternate third principle part, and that works for pluperfect and future perfect as well. Okay, and I'll do those real quick. So pluperfect, okay, would be iweram, iweras, iwerat, iweramos, iweratis, and iwerant. Okay, and you, of course you could use the alternate and say eram, eras, erat, eramos, eratis, and erant. Okay, and the same thing works for future perfect. Okay, so future perfect would be iwero, iweris, iwerit, iwerimus, iweritis, and iwerint. Okay, or I could just take out all the V's, or just use the I. E-ero, E-eris, E-erit, E-erimus, E-eritis, and E-erint. Okay, and then one more thing I'll say about EO is the imperatives. So imperatives. Okay, so just like you would form an irregular imperative, you take the infinitive minus the RE, and that's the imperative. So E would be go, like telling somebody, like you're telling somebody just go, say E, which is a really cool word to say. And then if you're talking to more than one person, you would just, of course, add TE, ite, be go, but plural. This would be singular. Okay, and that's it for our crash course on AO. So thanks for tuning in, everybody, and see you next time.